Hey, what's up guys? I got an unboxing here for you today of a WE G17 gas blowback pistol. So let's get it open. Alright, just open the box, and as you can see, this is what it looks like inside, and this in this big case, got a bunch of things to pop, and this, which I'm not entirely sure what it is now, probably figure it out. Alright, let's get this case open. Alright, apparently that's how you do that. It's right here. Oh, so there's the pistol, which looks really nice, except it's locked into place. So I will go grab a screwdriver and be right back to unscrew this. Alright, I'm back, and now I have to unscrew this. Oh, it's in here, and get that off. There we go, that came off. Here's the pistol. So it's got a polymer lower body and a metal slide. This has the floral pattern, which is engraved into it. It's not cheap, it's actually like engraved into the gun. It's really nice, sounds good, looks nice, feels good in your hand. It's got a slide catch right there, and then you use those to take off the slide if you want to. Here's the mag. It does take green gas or propane, whichever one you want to use. It they said about 310 FPS. Oh joy, the phone. Oh, well my brother's getting that. Yeah, like I said, it's got 310 FPS. Not so sure about the range. Seems nice. It's got the orange flash hydrant in here, along with a little bottom case for the mag. It holds 25 rounds, and you can also get the 50 round extended clip for it. And I just can't wait to get using this. Here's the sights, if you can see those. And so, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.